Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the string data type in Python. What is string? String is a sequence of character. Python allows string to be delimited by quotes. Strings can also be stored in a variable like numbers. See here, str1 is equal to hello. Means we are assigning hello to str1. str2 is friends. I am going to print the two strings together. For this we have to give the statement print. Then after that now we have to give the print statement in the bracket. Both the strings are separated by comma. Then we are getting the concatenated result. See here, hello, one string, second string friends, together we are getting. Next, which data type we are using? str1 is the, we are checking which data type str1 means. Class str means str1 is string type, str2 also string type. How to print the strings? Remember that the input statement reads whatever user types as an expression to be evaluated. Example, fname is equal to input, enter your name. Whatever we inputted, no, that we are taking from fname. Then it allows to enter the name, then we have to type the name. After that, print hello. In the inverted comma we have to give, then close the inverted comma, separated by comma, and fname we are taking from the input statement. Then together hello and our name will concatenated. See here, indexing of the string. Hello h is in 0th place, starting from the left with 0. Last place is s, 12th place. Value of the fname, that is assigned by using the input statement. So far we have seen how to get string as a input, assign them to the variable, and how to print them out. See here. How to access the individual character? See, in the hello friends, greet 0. 0 means h. H is in 0th place, so h will come. Suppose I want to print number of characters, print 0 to and 4th place. Then 2nd place and 4th place we are getting h, l, o. Suppose I want to print -2, x value is 8. I am assigning the x value 8. After that I will minus this value from the greet statement, greet from the greet, x minus 2, 8 minus 2. We are getting the output f, because our 8th position minus 2, 2nd position, 6th position we will get, f is in the 6th position, so we are getting the output 6th. Next, if you want to minus, greet -1 means we are getting the first character from the back side. -3 means back from the right side, third character n. S first, D second, n is the third character. Next, how to access substrings? From the string. How to access substring from the string in Python? This operation is called slicing. Syntax for this is string, then square bracket, start number, colon, end number. You have to see the example. Both should be int. Start and end should be. See this example. Greet 0th position and 3rd position. First letter H is the first one, L is the 3rd position. Next one, greet 5:9. First position 5, 5th position is F is in 5th position, I is in 9th position. Suppose if you want to greet :5, it starts. Missing expression takes the defaults. See here, last 3 example, missing expression means it takes the default. Next one is concatenation and repetition operations in string. Concatenation means addition, joining, and repetition. We are using the into sign to repeat. See this example. Operators are my plus class. I am going to concatenate 2 strings, my and class. My is first string, plus, we are using the plus to concatenate 2 strings. See here, class. Then together we will get, means both are concatenated. Here I am going to add 3 strings. I, if you want to give the space, you can give there. Give the space and close the inverted comma, plus see here 3 strings are concatenated. I love class. Next one, repetition. We're going to use into sign. 3 star sign means into, 3 into my. My is printed 3 times. This is the output. I am going to print love at 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it came. Next I am going to print together. I want to use multiplication and also addition in one statement. See here, just select this, copy this. Shortcuts also you can use, keyboard also you can use. Copy, then open the bracket, close the bracket, plus in open bracket 4 into, we have to give it in inverted class. Every time string should be in inverted. Then our output is 3 times my and class is in 4 times. Suppose I am going to print length of the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters are there, so the length of the string is 5. Suppose I am going to print single character 1 by 1. So I am using for loop, and to print I am using the print. CH is the one single character. See, we have to press 2 times enter. This is the, thank you.